Stop eating jabs for breakfast. Here are 3 ways to make her miss. Slip. Catch. Or move your damn feet.